you eat, Alex. Once you eat, you're going to get in the bath. Then we'll watch a Batman video. Okay? I just gave you something to drink.
Go get your sippy cup. I'm cold.
The heater's on. Do you need some medicine?
No.
Is that good, Tristan?
Yep. I had boo-boos.
Oh, okay.
Here and there.
And your lip, right, from yesterday?
Yep. And it was bleeding.
I know.
Did you see it bleed?
Yep.
That thing went up in the air and then hit me in the face.
Who did it?
No one. That's me.
Oh, you hurt yourself?
Yep.
You dingbat.
It really hurt so bad.
Yeah, I'm sure. Alex, can we eat?
I need to watch.
I'm going to turn it off if you don't stop.
I need to watch TV.
No, you need to eat.